Hi! Welcome to the presentation for Animal Science 107 for Group 19. This includes Mariana, Maggie, Teresa, Tommy, and Michaela. The topic that we decided to discuss is the impact of domestication on animals' behaviors and genetics. What is domestication? Domestication is the process by which humans have selectively bred wild animals over generations for traits that can be beneficial to us humans. These traits can be seen as docility, productivity, or companionship. As a group, we chose to explore the impact of domestication on animals from two different perspectives, behaviorally and genetically. Through this project, we wanted to understand how the popular press and peer-reviewed sources view and explain animal domestication differently. Based on our sources, we found that domestication makes animals more social, less aggressive, and easier to control overall. Genetically, though, domestication changes traits like size, coat, color, and behavior over generations through selective breeding. The visual image that we provided compares and contrasts the wild and domestic versions of cats, dogs, goats, and cows. Domestic animals are social with humans. They have lower fear responses as well as reduced aggression. They're also trainable. Their genetics are selected for traits like tameness, productivity, and their appearance. To the right, the graphic depicts the approximation of when an animal was domesticated. As shown, the sheep was the earliest domesticated animal, and the duck has been the most recent to be domesticated. In summary, the scientific and popular press perspectives mostly agree on the ways that domestication affects animal behaviors and genetics. Both sources agree that domestication reduced fear, increased docility, and adaptation to human environments. The gradual process of domestication was emphasized, and both perspectives agree that close interaction with humans leads to significant changes in animal behavior as well as their physiology. However, the popular press perspective put an extra emphasis on observable behaviors and environmental interactions, as well as lifestyle changes and surface-level traits. Meanwhile, the scientific perspective goes into more detail about the internal biological processes and genetic implications. Based on what we've learned from this, we believe that domestication has a positive and lasting impact on animals and humans only if the animal is cared for properly. Because domestication has increased the reliance of animals on us, we cannot neglect their health, their safety, and their happiness. It has to be a priority. However, breeding harmful traits that affect on animals' well-being is extremely irresponsible, and that is why we have to domesticate animals responsibly. Thank you so much.